so rude today?
Rude? I just said give me water.
Exactly. That's the problem. Today, I will teach you how to sound polite in English.
Easy. I just add please everywhere.
Not everywhere.
Watch me. Give me your phone.
Wow, that's aggressive. Say, could you lend me your phone, please?
Could you lend me your phone, please?
Much better.
I feel like a gentleman.
You're upgrading.
Hey, listen to me.
No, just no. Say, excuse me, may I say something?
Excuse me, may I say something?
Now I want to listen.
Power of politeness.
Cats are better than dogs.
That's wrong.
Too direct. Say, I'm afraid I disagree.
I'm afraid I disagree.
Good, now you sound respectful.
But still right.
We'll see.
Help me.
That sounds like an order. Say, could you help me, please?
Could you help me, please?
Okay, now I feel guilty if I don't help.
It works. Sorry.
That's too simple. Say, I'm really sorry for that.
I'm really sorry for that.
Now it sounds genuine.
I feel like I hurt someone already.
Don't practice on me.
Drink this.
Again, rude. Say, would you like some water?
Would you like some water?
Now I feel respected.
Same water, better sentence. I sit here.
No manners. Say, may I sit here?
May I sit here?
Approved.
I feel like I need permission for everything now.
That's called being polite. Quick test. Which one is polite? A. Open the door. B. Could you open the door, please?
B.
Correct!
I'm officially polite now.
Almost. Now tell me, which sentence sounds more polite? A. Give me your book. B. Could you lend me your book, please?
Don't answer wrong.
Comment your answer below.
And don't forget to be polite in real life too.
Halo teman-teman, welcome to Semua Bisa Bahasa Inggris. Di sini, learning English is fun, simple, and for everyone. Yuk belajar bareng supaya makin percaya diri ngomong bahasa Inggris. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. Let's get started!